Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be making a little tutu skirt for a little baby girl. Also, I'll be customizing the onesie and I'll be customizing some t-shirts for the parents. So let's get started. I'm using the fabric organza. I'll be using different colors. Now I'm cutting some 12 by 4 inches strips of the fabric. I'll be using this piece of satin ribbon for the waistband. I'm now looping each pieces of the different color organzas that I've cut earlier around the satin waistband. As you can see guys, the tutu skirt has been completed And please note that this is a no-sew tutu skirt. Now I'm going to move on to the customization of the baby onesie and the t-shirts for the rest of the family.
Oh, we've been through it. We've put in the hours, studied and hunkered down, patched up and glued it to get to where we are now. Whenever patience ran out, and even if everything is the same, there are still things I need you to say. Just gotta do it. I need to hear the sound. Rescue me before I drown. Lay it all on me. I know you left to be a mystery, but on 1, 2, 12, 3, say the words to me. Come on and prove it. Yeah, actions aloud doesn't mean words don't count. They're music. I wear them like a crown. It can send me into spaces 6 feet down. There are memories trapped in clay and feelings that never go